Hello everyone, I am Ashita. I am a software developer in the Artist team. And the first demo is the extended support for configuring the severity of certain validation rules. So in the last sprint, we introduced a preference called rule configuration under real-time development, where we could specify a string and configure the severity for certain rules. So this preference accepts a 5-letter string where the first letter represents the severity that has to be configured, followed by the ID of the rule. So here I have a model which produces certain warning messages if I build it. Let me just build it. So as we can see, it gives us 5 different messages with uh, 5 different warning messages, and each has an ID attached to it, which means the severity of these warning messages is configurable. So I can go to my preference and I can, for instance, change the severity of the first rule to error, second rule to info, and I can disable the third rule. I'll just apply. So if I now clean and build, I see that my first warning is displayed as an error. From the second is turned to info, and the third one is disabled, and fourth and fifth are as it is. The information about these rules and how to configure the severity is updated in the info center, and it can be checked here under Artist's user guide. We can go to articles here in building, and then building C++ application with Artist. Here we have a chapter called Model Compiler Validation Rules, which tells us the information about the validation rules, how to configure the severity of these rules, and also the ID for each rule and a short description on why these warning messages are produced. Also, this document will be available with the product. Yeah. Any other questions? Any questions from anyone?